Make the most out of your virtual phone apps and your CRM by having them work together. OnePageCRM's call and messaging integrations let you connect to WhatsApp, FaceTime, and Skype for faster, seamless communication with your prospects and customers. With your lead saved to OnePageCRM, you're always clear on the next action you need to take. And when it comes time to call, all of those details you need are right there. Now it's just a matter of selecting your favorite virtual phone service and connecting with your client without leaving the app. You can send a quick message or call directly from desktop or mobile. Any important info discussed can be logged in real time with the ability to tag any of your teammates so everyone is up to date. Now you can complete that next action and set a new one to bring you one step closer to a sale. Ready to boost your sales? Connect now and get those conversations going.